Make that sound! Lucy, come on. This is freaking scary sound.
Like pop open.
Ah!
I'm scared to touch on the ball. It really gets in the business.
Nope.
Oh, shoot my eyes. Just keep on recording until it happens.
I'm sitting out here with me.
Oh no. It's scary, dude.
I know, dude.
It's scary. Like a dark room.
Dude, I'm scared.
Going to the bar.
No, you said that. I'm scared, dude.
I'm like scared anymore.
Let's sit down, guys. I'm gonna start crying. Come here. Dad, guys, this guy's scared. Just somebody has. Dude,
You were like.
dude, this is not real. This is a real sound. Hey, don't do this. This guy's, my friend is sweating already.
Yeah, I'm so freaking scared.
Like this is noise.
Yeah, guys, we like heard like a like sound.
Like we hear like dark voice like.
Well, you like.
It's not the fireworks. It's somebody down over here.
Uh-oh, scared to even look down.
Dude, look, Kelsey's down there. Ah! No, I was on there. Dude, what the heck? Ah! Ah!
Oh. Don't touch me, dude.
Dude, the move. Go back in. Dude, yeah.
Scary.
If we come out here, we won't be scared. By the way, this Colin, his cousin,
And his brother.
no, and hi guys.
Hey.
Let's-
Hold on. Hold the thing.
Shoot. Wait, no, do it again. Don't put that in. Well, I'm going to leave it in anyways.
I'm scared.
Sorry if I suck, guys. Dude, what the crap? Let's go back out. Come with us. Come with us.
Wait, no.
Those are lights down there, by the way, guys. So,
Somebody just hit our car.
no, it's a different car alarm. Our car's all the way over there.
Oh yeah.
Sorry about the car alarm,
what?
guys.
I thought. I didn't make it. I like hit the floor.
Dude, we might to stop.
What the fuck was that?
Hey! Hey, Kitty, where would you say that? Come here. Hey, kids.
No, get a picture of that. I think it's pretty.
By the way, there's a pool over there, guys. Sorry about that
Wait, no, look
glitch.
down. Make it look down. Over there. Make it look down over there.
Move. Get the fuck out.
Just like this bar. What if it was
Just-
like a, wait,
It could be.
what if it was a bulldog? You know how bulldogs, like some bulldogs make that dark sound?
Yeah.
What if that was a bulldog?
There's not a lot of pets in here. It could be that guy over there. We'll see anything.
Or unless they have a dog, they're just visiting. And they're start to like put it in a car and then you go inside. I don't know. You gotta be drunk. Wait, I'm not acting up. Hey guys, we're drunk.
Hey guys, we're drunk. We're really not. We're kids.
Yeah, we're kids.
He's 8 or something. I'm 10.
No, I'm like 9 or 10. I'm like
He's
10.
not. He's 8. I'm 10. Sorry about this.
Sorry, we're 10. He's 10.
He's younger. By the way.
I'm 9. He's 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was like, like, would that sound like?
Dude, something's down there. Dude, somebody's down there. Dude, somebody's down there. Hey! We're recording you.
Oh, record over there and see if it comes in. Dude, I thought I saw something come out of the water. Like, it looked like a shark.
I can't see it. Oh, she's like, oh, dude. Sorry about the guys. We didn't show you the sound, but we're scared still. We're gonna end the video.
Yeah, we found
here.
I seen something coming out of the ocean or something. It was like,
We really
can
did.
I see it like a shark? Like I had like a long tail.
No. We saw something green and outline is red. So see you guys. We're gonna end the vlog here. Bye. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, comment, and I'll do more of these if you comment down below. See you guys.
Bye.